back at the shop. Turbo 400 and the converter on the jack, getting ready to go into the Bullet. Our buddy Harry is here with his Camaro. We've got some diagnosing and some cleaning up to do on his car to get him ready for Texas 2K. Luckily, it's not too much work on my converter in. Just need to put the transmission back in its hole here, put some bolts on, and get to work. I don't even know what Harry's doing. A lot of wiring. So much wiring. Alright, transmission's almost all the way in. It's all bolted up. Just need to finish the wiring, put the catch can on it, run the lines, and then I can start filling it up with fluid. Gotta put the trash shaft on, obviously, and then we're done. In the meantime,
then we'll go on to pull out the injector and see if maybe it's clogged or dirty or something. You know, you never know. It's either not getting fuel or not getting spark, one of the two. We'll figure it out.
Sounded fine to me. I'm no tuning grandmaster yet, but
no.
What?
Yeah, you're not. You only know when it bangs the red limiter. It's big in the red limiter.
You're such an asshole.
That's how you know something's wrong.
Anyways, I'm not gonna show you too much of Harry's car. If you want to see more of it, click the link above right here. You can send you to Harry's channel. He's got a lot of updates on it, but it's a pretty nice build. I'm surprised he's gotten it this far with it. It's just about track ready. Just needs a couple little odds and ends.
Did it turn on okay?
Yeah, I'm telling you, he started it, drove here, let it idle, and it didn't, like, it was idling just fine. Like,
we did that yesterday too with us for a little bit, and
then it would act up?
Yeah, man, once it started getting on the tip.
I don't know about those coils though.
I mean, that's what came with it's junkyard stuff, man. Nothing you know about, huh?
Well, maybe the coils are failing when they warm up.
Yeah, that's why I got another one to test it. We swapped them too. They worked. They worked on that one. This is cold for whatever reason.
Gotcha.
I ran ice water. That's why it's cold.
Quick update, the transmission is in and draft shaft is in. Everything's bolted down, I believe. Just need to go do a quick overcheck and start putting some fluid in this thing so I can start it up. Solomon and Harry had to leave real quick. They're checking some injectors over at the shop. They're gonna come back and try to finish up the Camaro. We're still working on some issues with it. Let's get some fluid in this thing so we can get it cranked. I'm so ready to hear this thing run again. What about you? All right. Okay, let's try this colder than cold start. Solomon and the guys get back, I'm gonna have them help me make sure that the linkage is right and put the cotter pin in it, and then I can run it through the gears and make sure that everything's up to up. But so far so good. What do you think?
I think I'm awesome.
Huh?
I think I'm awesome. Told you I would figure this out, man. They can't get away from me.
Oh God, there's no living with him now. Follow Harry on his YouTube to find out why. All right, there we go. What'd you think of that? That was cool, huh? Yeah, let's move it. So I'm gonna get this thing. Washed up, put it in the trailer, and then be ready for Texas 2K. If you haven't heard already on my Instagram, we are going to be at Texas 2K. Harry, Solomon, everybody, all the boys will be out there somewhere in the pit, so you're gonna have to come find us. I am going to have merch. I'm gonna have some shirts, some new design shirts I haven't released yet. They look great. I'm not sure if I'll have the release by the time this video comes out. If so, I'll put the picture here. But you're not gonna want to miss. I'm gonna have merch on hand. Come find me, Texas 2K. Wednesday to Sunday. The car will be there for sure Saturday and Sunday. I'll probably be driving around in something else different during the week, but on the weekend the Bullet will be there with the guys, and like I said, we'll be somewhere in the pits. Texas 2K is so huge that unless you get a sponsor spot, and even if you get a sponsor spot, the lowest one, you're still out there in the back. So we're gonna be somewhere. You're just gonna have to come find us. I'll get this thing washed up, get it back at home, and get ready for Texas 2K coming up. It wouldn't be Texas 2K if we weren't working on something last minute. You know what the messed up part is? For the first time in the Bullet's existence, it's actually going to be ready for Texas 2K. But I'm not signed up to her.
Right?
The 1 year since Texas 2K was at Sealy, I'm not racing, and I'm actually ready for the event, and yet I cannot go race.
It's hard park. Hard parker.
You know how bad that's killing me right now? It's like all I've ever wanted was to be ready for.
Late, right?
Yeah, all I've ever wanted was to be ready for a Texas 2K, and
past 2 years it wasn't even like that.
No, it's never been like that. It's always been something, bro.
Installing new motors.
Always.
Shit,
always, bro.
Very end, that's what you wanted to do. Installing motors.
Now it's ready to go.
No oil pressure.
Here I am.
Pulling tranny.
For those that don't know, if you want to compete at Texas 2K, you better sign up like in November.
Yeah.
Because it signs up quick. Yeah. I sent an email and they replied, there's 250 on the waiting list. I was like, oh. I was hoping my star power would get me.
Put on the Bullet! Should have put on the Bullet!
I sent them a picture of a car doing a wheelie. We don't want you back. We don't want you back.
Just postpone the track.
Oh my God.